Hey everyone, this is Fanny. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm so excited to officially invite you to a fun and creative event. The Twine It Up Challenge is happening on April 18, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's right, it's back better than ever, and I would love for you to be part of it. So, what is Twine It Up Challenge? It's a creative open invite to use twine in any DIY craft project of your choice. You can create home decor, gifts, organization, anything as long as twine plays a part of your project. Now, why twine? It might seem simple, but it's one of the most affordable and versatile craft supply out there. And add texture, warmth, and charm, and handmade feel. And also encourage us to think outside of the box. Whether it's jute, cotton, hemp, twine can totally transform your project. Here's how you can join in on this fun challenge. Create any DIY craft project with twine. Add Twine It Up Challenge on your video title, mention the Twine It Up Challenge on your video, and add your video on the playlist. I will be sharing the links soon. Also tag me and our special co-host so we can shoot you out and support your work. No strict rules, just creativity, fun, community. Everyone is welcome, no matter your style or skill level. Let's get crafted together, inspire each other, and have fun. I can't wait to see what you came up with. Let me know in the comment below if you are in, and I will see you on April 18 at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also the bell, and you will get notified every time I upload a new video. I can't wait to see everyone's creation, so I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care and stay awesome. Ciao, ciao.